Hello, I'm Kelly. Today, I will help you learn all the letters of the English alphabet and their sounds. Let's start. The English alphabet has 26 letters. I will say each letter and its sound slowly. Repeat after me. A as in apple. B as in ball. C as in cat. D as in dog. E as in elephant. F as in fish. G as in goat. H as in hat. I as in igloo. J as in juice. K as in kite. L as in lion. M as in monkey. N as in nose. O as in octopus. P as in pig. Q as in queen. R as in rabbit. S as in sun. T as in tiger. U as in umbrella. V as in van. W as in window. X as in box. Y as in yellow. Z as in zebra. Great job! That's all for today's lesson. Practice these letters and their sounds every day. See you next time.